Hello ladies and gentlemen, Railroad 82 here, your railroad archaeologist, continuing our tour on the CSX Homestead Subdivision. So this here is Kings Highway. It's southwest 304th Street. I'll include a Google Maps link in the location so you guys can, in the description, so you guys can follow along. But he might have hit this stop sign. Seen better days. And then let me show you the crossing equipment here. So you have that one that protects this avenue behind me. And then you have this one that protects Kings Highway, which the signals are folded up, facing heaven, acknowledging its death. Safe Tran signal base. Emergency contact info. Signals folded up of the Safe Tran kind. And across, going north now. Signals folded up all over the place over here. Here you have the relay case, which has no power to it. Imagine living in this house. Imagine living in that house and buying it under the pretense that you're gonna have like the train come through all the time and you're gonna rail fan and have a jolly old time with the train. And then on March 2019, you learn that the track is officially abandoned. You want to pull all your hairs out and be like, why did I buy this place? No more trains. That dog might be a rail fan, right? Okay, so this is track view south now. This little stretch over here doesn't crack that yet. I guess it has, other than the folded signals and the cracked ties, it looks pretty decent. Not as overgrown as in some areas. I'm guessing the property owner over here to my left maintains it. Otherwise, it's a breeding ground for rats and insects and snakes and possums and whatever have you. So you have the original Seaboard wooden grade crossing over here. Safe Tran, emergency contact info. Safe Tran, evo up top as well. And then Seaboard grade crossing, built in 1926. I don't know if this road was built in 1926, but the track was. This is the 1936 rail over here. And yeah, I guess it is because like look, this guy, he runs a pretty tight ship, you can say, as far as maintenance. And then where his property ends is where the track continues to be overgrown. So let's walk over there. Okay, so as I said, end of the property, end of the cleanliness. Here we start getting crazy with the illegal dumping and growth. Yeah. They said this starts to take a turn now from rural and agriculture into poverty, low-income housing, etc., etc. Yeah, look at this over here. I mean, you can't even tell there's beyond this. Where's the line? Come on, CSX, where's the line, man? Right, guys, give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Thanks as always for coming along with me. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. I upload on Wednesdays and Sundays. Always a pleasure. Thank you. Bye-bye.